Before you go to bed tonight, drink just one glass of this, because most people don't realize they walking around with old, stuck gut waste slowing down their body, even if they poop every day. If you feel bloated, heavy after meals, gassy, or you sit on the toilet straining, this video might be the reason your gut hasn't felt normal in years. Stay with me, because I'm about to show you 5 gentle nighttime drinks made from simple kitchen ingredients that can help soften old waste, move your gut again, and give you lighter, easier mornings. This is Vitanicbloom, and tonight, we reset your gut naturally. While constipation is one of the most common gut problems after age 40, most people don't talk about it. They quietly deal with hard or dry stools, incomplete bowel trips, belly pressure, tiredness, even bad breath or a foggy head. The truth is shocking. You can go every single day and still be constipated if you not emptying fully. Stool can stay behind, dry out, and get harder with time. And once it sticks to the colon walls, the body keeps pulling more water out of it, making it even tougher to remove. That's when you start feeling blocked, bloated, or like your urge to go gets weaker. Slow gut movement becomes more common with age because people drink less water, eat less fiber, move less, ignore the urge to go, sleep poorly, or deal with stress that slows digestion. Medicines like iron, allergy pills, painkillers, and some blood pressure or mood medications can slow the gut too. Conditions like low thyroid or diabetes can add to the problem. And yes, this buildup can cause cramps, hemorrhoids, leaks that look like diarrhea, and constant pressure. But here is the part most people never hear. Your body can reset gently with the right nighttime support, without harsh detox teas or painful laxatives. And the best solutions are already sitting inside your kitchen. The first nighttime drink is the Kiwi Flax Smooth Gut Blend. It tastes sweet, fresh, and creamy, and many people wake up the next morning with a lighter belly and a smoother bathroom trip. Kiwi gives your gut natural enzymes and gentle fiber that softens stuck stool. Flaxseed works like a soft sponge, holding water inside the stool so it can move without painful pushing. And yogurt, or kefir, adds good bacteria that support digestion in a natural way. When your stool is too dry, everything slows down. This drink helps reverse that by keeping water inside while giving the gut-friendly microbes to move waste more smoothly. Blend the green kiwis with yogurt or kefir. Stir in a spoon of ground flax. Drink it a couple hours after dinner, and follow with a glass of water. Many notice less bloating and a fuller, more complete morning trip within hours. The second drink is the warm prune citrus soother. If you ever go to bed feeling heavy and stuck, this is one of the fastest, most reliable natural helpers. Prune juice is backed by real clinical research showing it softens stool and improves constipation better than some fibers. When warmed and mixed with water and a little lemon, it hydrates the colon and gives your stool more moisture so it can finally slide out without strain. Drink half a cup of prune juice mixed with warm water and a squeeze of lemon 1 to 2 hours after dinner. Then drink a plain glass of water afterward. By the next morning, many people feel softer stool, less bressure, and a much easier bathroom trip. Now, for people who want something extra gentle but extremely effective, the Psyllium Honey Bedtime Gel is a game changer. Psyllium isn't laxativate is a bulking gel fiber that softens stool by holding water inside it. Science shows it improves stool consistency and frequency when used regularly. Mix a teaspoon of psyllium into warm water with a little honey. Drink it quickly before it thickens, and drink another glass of water afterward. It forms a soft gel inside your gut that helps stool move without scraping or straining. Many people feel better within days, but it becomes even more effective after a week of consistency. If your gut feels tight, dry, or sluggish at night, a warm, soothing option is warm milk with turmeric and a little ghee. This isn't a laxative, it's comfort for an irritated gut. Warm fluid keeps stool from drying out. Ghee adds a gentle healthy fat that softens the gut, and turmeric can support digestion and gut ease for many people. Mix a cup of warm milk with half a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of ghee, and a tiny pinch of black pepper. Sip it before bed to help your gut relax and prepare for a smoother morning. Many people feel less tightness and less dryness by the next day. And for one of the gentlest natural options, especially for a sensitive stomach, The pear mint overnight fiber water is incredibly effective. Pear has fiber plus natural compounds that draw water into the gut. Chia seeds create a soft, soothing gel. Mint calms the belly. When soaked overnight, the water absorbs the pear's components and lets the chia soften perfectly. Slice half a pear into water, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, smash in some mint leaves, and leave it in the fridge. Drink it first thing in the morning. Many feel a lighter belly and softer stool within 12 to 24 hours. You've now learned 5 gentle drinks that can help your gut soften old waste, move more smoothly, and reset your rhythm without harsh reactions. The kiwi drink nourishes your gut. The prunes soother hydrates and softens. The psyllium gel adds bulk and moisture. The warm turmeric milk comforts and eases. And the pear mint water refreshes and prepares your gut for easier mornings. Each one works differently, but all remind us that your gut doesn't need punishment. It needs support. If this helped you understand your gut better, please like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and tell me in the comments which drink you're trying tonight. Your time means everything to me. This is Vitanicbloom, helping you heal naturally, one simple habit at a time. Sweet dreams and a lighter tomorrow.